Yo, 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 yo. Barry! Ah! Never mind tripping. My shit. Oh, now I remember. That shit. Holy fuck. Let me set the character things. Perfection. Hello, hello. Alright, we're using the default microphone. Fuck that. Let me just see if the audio is as, and if it's as, I'll just... Flying bad, yo, keep flying bad. Alright. I should save. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cool. Cool. Alright. Fuck. Hey, bro. Hopefully, none but I have my. I can mute the microphone. It's okay. Hey, bro. Hopefully, none but I have my. Mute the microphone. What the fuck am I watching, yo? Damn, they be putting that shit on too, like on purpose too. That's crazy, yo. They dead ass trying to divide everyone. That's crazy. Bro, I'm finna build a farm. Should I? That shit hard. It's hard as shit to take care of and stuff. What are the scheme? Alright. Bro is here, so let's work. If you know, you know. Yo, I'm a bum. Alright, boom. Can I hit it? Hopefully not. Is that hearable? That's fucking echoing and shit. Alright. Yo! Y'all say anything? Did y'all say anything? Did you guys call me? Say swear. Alright, let's start. What were we doing? Oh, that's fixing. No, I was not fixing. What am I talking about? Who was doing stuff? No, that's terrible. Oh, fuck, I forgot to turn off the mic too. Sure. Mute microphone. Yes. There we go. Sure. We good now. I think we good. Be good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We are good. Alright then. Oh fuck! Hold on. Alright, let me see. what are we doing? We're bug fixing. That's what we're doing. Okay. Oh yeah, this bug, this whole ass bug. Gang, this shouldn't even make sense, right? Because you're not even sending nil, right? It says send player and the string name, right? But I guess player automatically gets passed in some shit. That's not from the client though, it's from the server. So how's player automatically get passed in? Let me see. It's not there. Player can't be automatically passed in. That shit makes no sense. You know what I mean? And where's this thing coming from? Weapon loaded? Weapon loaded dot fire. Is it dot fire? Signal. No, we got to also do the thing dot fire. We're not doing thing fire? No. Weapon loaded. I'm doing weapon loaded dot on. What am I talking about, gang? Should be doing invokes. Tripping. Alright. I'm doing invokes. Then where the fuck that shit at? It should be on init, right? Yeah, right here. Okay, weapon loaded event dot on function. So this hoe's getting like it's fucking up, bro. I don't know why. Weapon loaded event dot on function player. Print weapon stats. Weapon stats. Huh? Okay, idle's getting printed. Then what was I talking about? Oh, right here. Okay. Print value 1, state change. Yeah, I'm tripping. That's state change. State changed. Do you have it back? There we go. Service fire. Right here. So this shit is becoming nil. I don't know why. Not this. Right here. See? It's not accounting for this. It's not, I mean, like this shit is getting passed out. I don't know why. It's acting like idle is like the first one, and nil is. I don't know what the fuck nil's getting called. Nil's supposed to be idle, and this one is supposed to be player. I don't know why it's doing that. Mind you, it's also like a thing. Am I doing on the server side? No, I am. I don't know why it's doing that. Because it's from the server as well. Server, I mean, the client, like, when the client fires an event, it's going to be, the first thing's always going to be player, right? The first thing that always going to be player when you connect to it. But when server does it, you don't fucking know, gang. That's why, I don't know why it's being nil. It's treating as if, like, this is already being fired and shit. Let's try this. Blank, just a blank, doesn't matter. Is that, can I do something like this? Remember the player again. See right here, player. Dang, I'm putting in player. What the fuck you mean player? What is this? Oh wait. I think it's because of the invoke. Let me check. Let me check the docs. Invoke functions. Roblox Studio. Maybe you're always supposed to pass in player. Callable insert invoke. Remote functions. Maybe you're supposed to always like pass in player and it automatically like takes in player as an argument and shit. Maybe that's and I'm tripping. Let's see. Alright, so there's fucking yapping. What's this? Oh, I found it, okay. I'm fucking retarded, yo. Callbacks. On client invoke. On server. Wait, invoke server. Arguments tuple. On client invoke. Arguments tuple. On server invoke. Methods. Invoke client. What does tuple mean? Tuple, Lua. Tuples are lists of values. Arguments, tuple. On server invoke. Player. Arguments. Wait, hold on. I think player's always supposed to be like it's guaranteed to be passed in, right? So, okay. I think that's my fault, yo. Hold on. We're gonna get rid of value 1. That's not supposed to be there. I think. Because the first value is always player anyway. I didn't know that was for the server side as well. My fault, yeah. I thought that was just for when the client sends an event to a server, right? Let's do this. I got this from my notes, by the way. Like, I store all of my notes and shit. So where's that? State change from server? Alright, right here. It's just supposed to be medium string because the first argument is always player anyway. At least that's what I think. Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully it works, gang. Fuck. Is that it? No errors? No errors. Alright. By errors, I just mean like the red lines and shit. Save events. Save. Delete this hoe. Fuck. Alright, boom. Save. Events. Delete this. Delete this. Okay, boom, boom. I'm tripping. I didn't see. Where's it at? State change. Oh no, I'm tripping. It's right here. Okay. Now we gotta delete the server storage, the thing that link compress gave the files. Put it into communication right here. Generate. Inshallah, bismillah. Lock in. I'm the fucking greatest of all time. Alright, well, the moment service, I didn't do that yet, but what else we got? What? Bitch, what? Next note with can M1. Can square. Return current flags, flag name. Oh yeah, this was also a thing. When the server like sets the fucking state on join, right? For some reason the current flags and the current state doesn't get updated. I don't know why. Sums up. Let's I guess let me see if I write the correct name even. Hold on, let me see. Because when the server updates it, it's not updating the current flags and current signal. I mean, yeah, current flags and current state, my fault. It's either I didn't put the correct name or some shit going wrong. Let's see. Player state client state controller. Close this. Close this. Okay. Set server state right here. If not stateless, then maybe that's the word. No, that is not it. No. Server lock equals current state equals new current state. Local current state equals nil. Gang, see, I'm printing current state too. Fuck you mean? Weapon handler. Where's thing? Client weapon manager. Code manager. Client module. What? Client state controller. State change from another player. Bitch, what? Where'd that come from? State change. Choose from. Okay, client state controller dot init. If player does not equal player, then state change event dot on function. State change event. Where's state change? Where's the thing? Set server state. Where's that at? Bro, oh no, I already got it from thing. It's right here. I don't need it. It's not need to be in French. New state, yes. Yeah, why is this not word tar? Fuck you mean? So this print player and print I guess player. And print player equals player. So this is just to see if player equals players, this will be true. If it's not, if the player does not equal player, like this player, then it will be false. So it's either true or false. Just like extra shit. How the fuck is that false, gang? Worst 5 client state controller. Idle. Oh, maybe thing. Maybe does it wait, won't it go to everyone though? Am I tripping? Because when you call back a function and shit, right? Won't that go back to everyone? Am I tripping? Because right now it's not the player that passed in. That's why you pass in player. I'm fucking retarded, yo. You don't need this. Cause the server passes in the player to who it wants to send to, right? But this is an event though. How the fuck are you doing that? Whatever, yo, we'll fix it later. I mean, like we'll test everything later. Not right now. It's okay. Alright, delete that. I just this well. Alright, that's it. Let's test it. I'm just scared, right? Cause if would every other client, every other player be able to like get the state that player has? You know what I mean? Okay, there we go. Does that one work? Yes, sir. What's all this? What's all this? Index nil with number state. So we try to index this with number and this with nil. Why is this nil? What is this? Do I not even have? I don't even got this. What am I talking about? Oh, okay, I see. Wrong variable. Wrong variable. Let's see. Where that whole at? Why am I calling movements here? I didn't even init this. I shouldn't. Fuck. Alright, I didn't do init on movement service. I don't know why it's fucking working and shit. I didn't even like it was I don't know why it's being called. Oh wait, never mind. I don't got it in it. You don't gotta require a function for it to be called. I mean, you do, but like, if you use a module instead of function, shit. If you know, you know. What else we got? Number. Not movement service. There's another one, right? Because I was M1ing as well. What is this? Play state handler. Try to get index nil with get flag. Index nil with get flag. Why are you nil? Dot init player .id equals player state get state index nil with. They're saying this is nil, but I said it right here. Why is it nil? Dot init player get flag player flag name string. Here. Let's print player. Print player, and then let's also print thing. Print player state handler player dot user ID. Some not right, right? I think it's capital U. Yeah. All right. Yo, get your ass on, bruh. All right. What got printed? M1. So what's getting printed? Nil. Why the fuck is player being gang? Why is I didn't pass in player? That's why I'm tripping. That's why. I didn't pass in player on my other script. I called it. I just passed in this, right? So how do I get this? I think we just do get flag. Who do not pass it in? Player flag name get flag. Oh, right here I think. Oh no, that's something else. Get flags, get flag. Player state. No, that's not it. Get flag. Was it this? Look, canon money because player state handler. That get flag. But it's for. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's this right here. Right. So I didn't pass in player. That's the problem was. This is the player. M1 validator, yes. Get flags, local flags equals sprint validator was for movement service. I'm not gonna worry about movement service right now. Let me just fix up the combat service and then we'll start on the movement service and shit. If you know, you know, right? So hopefully there's no error, and there's an error. Attempt to call nil value. Dot I'm gonna update. Dot M1 update. So they saying this is nil. So they're saying this script does not have this value. I mean, like, does not have that function. My fault. Let's go to that script real quick. Let's see. Same combat service. M1 data helper right here. Update M1. Oh wait, it doesn't have. I'm tripping. I forgot to put it in. Function M1 data helper. Did I do? Okay, yeah. Update M1. Hold on. Let me go to combat service. Why am I calling with dot? When you do a class, you gotta do colon, right? Because if you do dot, it's just if you do colon, it updates for that player, not like if you know, you know. Like, don't do dot when you're doing class, okay? Why'd I do class? Because then I gotta store my shit. Am I tripping? M1 state event dot on player com account. M1 data. M1 data. Oh, okay. If not, M1 data then. Yes. M1 data helper equals helper dot no. I store it right here. Never mind. I store it right here. So I'm guessing this one right here. M1 data helper. M1. Yeah, right here. M1 data. And we do player dot get review. You can just save y'all. Control X. Player dot user ID. So since we stored it in here, right? We stored them right here. M1 data player that we stored it. Right here, see? Local M1, let me just close you. Okay, M1, like this is just a function. And this is where we store it. M1 data, this equals M1 data, right? So we store it right there. So let's call it, we mention it right here, right? And then we do colon, update M1. We use colon because we're, this itself is a class. This itself is basically this entire script itself, because we did .new right here. .new, we made a clone of the script and put it inside here, right there. So when we do colon, we pass in the player. So it's just for that player, you know what I mean? All right. New web, let's do update M1. So what are we gonna do? I had this whole before. Let's just print something. It doesn't really matter. Print word type. Just test if everything's good. Player that user ID update M1. Let's pass in a number as well. Will that work? Yeah. And let's do this. Update M1 number. Print word tar and no, let's print number. Just see if like the fucking thing works and shit. Print number. It should print 5 here. So when we M1, that's M1. Player state, what the fuck? What this is? Player state handler get flag. What this is? Oh yeah, that's just for debugging and shit. We're gonna do that later. Alright, let's see what's wrong with you. Attempt to call a nil value. Fuck. Oh, okay. Tripping. It's my fault. But I did update that. What do you mean? M1 update. M1 state event. Did I not just update this up? Am I retarded? Hold on. M1 update. Is there 2 M1 updates? Why the fuck would I have M1 update right here again? As in player, if not M1 value. Oh, okay. Update M1. M1 update, and then we just pass in player. Combo count. Because it's a local function right here. This is inside this script, so I guess I made a local function for that. I don't know why. Is there a need for that? Fuck you. Alright, so we're just gonna call this function, put the player in. And this function is gonna be doing like the updating and shit. It's gonna call the other one. Right? Alright, let's see. It should print 5. Alright. Attempt to index nil with update M1. M1 data player.user ID. Player.user ID. Yeah, so what's wrong? Attempt to index nil with update M1. With update, how's that nil though, gang? M1 data. M1 data equals empty table. So when we do init, do I not do init? I mean, I should have like when weapon loads and shit. Weapon change, weapon loaded, connect function player PB. Give M1 data player default PB window. Give M1 data. What the fuck? Give M1 data right here. If not, then equals PB equals that return end. M1 data player data weapon changed PB window. Alright. So what we got going on? M1 hitbox value that M1 hit. Let's not worry about that right now. It's saying this is nil. It's saying this, we're trying to index this with nil. Wait, no. We're trying to index this, so it's saying this part is nil. I don't know why, because I put it up there. It's right up there. Why the fuck is it nil? You know what I mean? Attempt to index nil with update M1. Am I retarded again? Oh, is it because they have the same variable name? Maybe it's because like the names are the same, you know what I mean? They're both update M1 in the local function as well as the M1 data helper function right here. Update M1. Where's my shit at? Why the fuck do I even call M1 update? Should I just call M1 start or some shit? I might as well just call M1 start, right? What's, because this is for like when player M1s and shit. What could be another word for that? I guess M1 star, right? I mean, I guess that makes sense. No, again, that don't make sense. Increment M1? Maybe increment combo? No. Okay, let's just change this one then. Call this whole increments. Increment means like +1, +1, +1. Just for like combo, like when you combo and shit. Combo is like, y'all know what combo is, bro. Hold on, I see something new. Attempt to call a nil value. Oh. Okay. What does update M1 do? Update M1, it should be increment combo. Increment M1. Update M1 clear. Display the script, okay. Okay. Increments. That's what it's called, right? Did I spell that whole wrong? Okay. You're with the calling, yes. I should pass a number as well. I pass a number. Okay. Alright, let's test now. I got so much like fucking debugs, like the print statements. Attempt to gang, how's that shit nil? That shit. Let's print thing. Let's print player, matter of fact. Let's print player. Print player. And then prints prints M1 data player dot user ID. Let's see which one is no. It's either I don't pass in player or I don't save the player's table into the table. So I didn't save the player. Okay. What the fuck you mean I didn't save the player? I saved it right here, didn't I? Combat service.init. Did I not do combat service.init? Init means initialize, like fucking it's an order of when they start and shit. I'll show you. Right here. Combat service.init, player state handler, weapon handler. Everything is well, a lot of fucking not working. Let me see if hold on. Hi, right here. Give M1 data. Right here. Print player. If not player data is already then print. Let's copy paste this. That. Print that. And we're gonna print player as well. So just in case, like if works hard. So if this get like this obviously get printed. If it doesn't get printed, that means the entire problem was when you pass in player, but we did. If this part get printed, that means it didn't exist, which it shouldn't exist. If this gets printed, that means it existed already, which that shouldn't happen. Alright, we'll see. Problem with I'm finna delete all these. It's a lot of like, hold on. I can't delete them because it's fucking combats. Wait, hold on. Player. Combat service. What else got printed? Boom. Okay, good. How about you? Oh yeah. What got printed? What? What does it mean? Data equals cycle table reference detected. PB window 0, but yes, okay, good. Where's the increment thing? Oh, no, that's self thing. Doesn't matter. Data. Self.data equals. And what the fuck is this? Yeah, that's something not right. Something not right, my. Yo! Lilo Baron! Is that Maya? Is Maya whimpering? I guess, bro. What the fuck is all this? Yeah, just hold my shit. Just hold my shit. It's okay, just hold it. Who the fuck is this, yo? Whatever. Alright. What this mean? Wait, I was gonna print this. What am I doing? Copy and paste that into question about. Yeah, but is one's value or actually to the string. This message appears on the table. It refers to itself directly or indirectly, creating an infinite loop. The fuck that mean, yo? Like that. Should I bleed? Fuck you. I don't think I should delete that. What I just delete? I remember. Alright. I say controller. Okay. Word talk. So that means, okay, that worked. And that print as well. Synthesis. Current flags. What is this? Open hand. I don't know. Wait, I don't know what I'm talking about. That's the client that called that invoked the function. Alright. Let's delete you. Don't need you. Delete you. Delete you. Hold on. I have it right. Delete you, and then I guess delete you, right? Yeah, delete one on your PC. So it's existing. Why the fuck are you doing that to me? Right? It's existing. Like, I made it. I created it. Why is it still doing that? What? Oh, I think it's just, yeah, I deleted it, so it's just in its place and shit, I think. Bitch, how you nailed, yo? I'm on data. Let's print player.user ID because last time it was matter of fact, maybe I'm referencing the wrong thing. That equals that. Yes. Player.user ID. Yes. Okay. Player. Do I have like a global player or some shit? Nah, it's right here. How is this nil, gang? That bitch can't be nil. I just made it, yo. Right here, see? And give data, we just made it. How's that nil? Yo, open stats, give M1 data. Increment thing with increment index nil with. Gang, how is you nil? Am I calling? No, yeah, I'm calling it. Get one that right there. Okay. Player. We're passing the player in. Fuck we going on. Open under. Let me watch it in Cloud, yo, because this just not making sense. I created it at the top, right? But it's saying I try to index nil with, I try to index something with nil. I try to index the thing I created with nil. What the fuck am I talking? I try to index something with the thing I created, which is nil, right? That shouldn't be the case. Why is that the case? Critical bugs, M1 data assignment error. You're creating a local variable M1 data that shadows the module level M1 data table. Then you're trying to assign to it. This should be local no M1 data equals M1 data. I'm fucking retarded. I see. Right here, see? Local M1, I guess, no. I was using the same name, which caused this to overwrite this, right? So shit like that. I can assume. Attempt to call a missing method of increment M1 of table. Bitch, what? Attempt to call a missing method. You got printed. What you got printed? Combat service. Did I not set that hoe? Where you at? Give M1 data. Where's you at? Right here. New M1 data equals. Oh, I hadn't set it. That's why. Alright, let's see. Finally, gay. In the index. Oh yeah, this is for moments here. Let's not worry about moments here. That's just not me so sweet enabled. Great. Finally, guys. Hey, bro. Oh no, God, this is a break though. What else we got left? Why did it print twice? Right? Who called you? M1 combat service, local update M1. If I'm invited. What got fuck you updating? What happened? Update M1 player. Combat count. But shouldn't it be true though? M1 state event. Cause then I make it so it's like M1 state. M1 state, Boolean and small number. So okay. Alright, I'm tripping. So I guess cargo and comma count. If combo count equals false, let's do this. Top. If not toggle, then reset my return. Yeah, I guess. If not M1 validator, then warn that, and then I guess we reset M1. Is there a point in that? Could also instead just do, instead of getting a boolean, I can make it so the M1, like this part right here, you see these? This comes from M1 data helper, right? Like these things, all that. I can make this hoe track when was the last time the player incremented a combo, and make it so if they increment it too fast, then don't let it increment. If they incremented it like too slow, if if exploiters try to increment a combo 5 seconds after the last combo, it doesn't get incremented. It starts at 1. I mean, it doesn't get incremented, it starts at 1, right? I could do it like that instead of like having true and false in the state event. I think I'm gonna do it like that. That's more safe as well. Alright, we're gonna remove the true and false shit. No need for that no more. Block state. Block state. I guess you can have true and false, doesn't matter. Can a client send like fuck it. I was gonna say like, can a client send true and no? Can explorers send a different value like true when it's false? I don't know. I don't think it'll matter. I don't think it will matter anyway, right? Alright, where's you at? M1 state. Remove you. We don't need you. Over here. Small number is just thing for the perfect blocking shit. And copy. Save. Boom. Server storage, delete that. Delete you. Put you right there. Boom. Let me put these in my notebook. Let me put these in my notebook. This is my notepad, yeah. You gotta remember to do that shit, yo. Cause like, actually nah, you don't gotta do it. Where my shit at? Right here. Okay, so now that we're not gonna have boolean, right? Let's close y'all. We don't need y'all. Go to combat service. Right here, remove that. That's good enough. Combo count's good enough. If not, toggle there. We're gonna have M1, we're gonna have data helper do like all the resetting combos, fucking incremental combos, all that stuff. Checking if the combo can be incremental, like incremented, shit like that. So if the player cannot M1, then we return. Oh yeah, should also do get player by user ID player. If not player, then return that. If not M1. There's no need to do all that. Close you, close you, close you. Alright, so how are we gonna do this? Yo, gang, I could low-key just call thing. Increment combo on, no need to call this. No need to call this function, right? It does nothing, right? I'm up again, what do you do? Yeah, this all doesn't even do anything. I'm doing this function. It does nothing. Let's go here. If not okay, our user ID then. Should we give thing? I was gonna say like, should we give call the give function right here if it doesn't exist, but it should exist, right? There's no way it doesn't exist because we do want inits. I'm not gonna call it give because that might fuck something up. Then return end. There's no need to upload. Oh yeah, and I could probably have like a reset something. Oh no, it doesn't exist. I was just say I can probably reset their class, but since it doesn't exist, we can't do that. We're still return end. Fuck it. Shove this to the top. Matter of fact, what do we need you for? We need you. Yeah, we don't. right here. M1 data player dot user ID. I'm gonna do update M1. Boom. Combo count. Combo count. What I got combo code? Yeah, combo code from the client. So I just do clients combo counts instead, so we know the difference and shit. So we know like we can't trust this hoe. It's just like what the client's sending us. Date. Alright. And one hit event. What this is. Nothing. Alright. What's about to do? Oh yeah, update M1. Yo, what the fuck? What fucking ranch fell on my head today? Yo, I'm thinking, bro. I could wake up at fucking 4 a.m., work till like do this shit until 8 a.m. and then go to work, then come back and go to bed. Or I can go to work, come back, do this, and then go to bed. I have ADHD, right? So it's like, it's hard for me to fucking, I mean, it's not hard. I'm being a bitch, but I don't know. I could wake up at 4 a.m. instead. That might be the move. I don't know. Well, and by work, I mean school, my fault. What's all this, yo? What the fuck? I'll give M1 data. I could do update M1 data instead of give M1 data. Right? That might make more sense. I thought that made more sense. Let's make a new function. Update M1 data. I already do it here, right? Yeah, no. Also, I call this whole update M1 data. Update M1 data. It's a better name. Fits it better. Right? And what been changed? If not P window, then update on that default P window. Alright, perfect. Alright, good. What else we got? What else we need? PV window. We don't need damage because we're gonna get that later. We don't need that right now. Like we're gonna get it every time we call fucking. We're not gonna store the damage. You know what I mean? No need to store. We're gonna do dot get damage from the server side. Let me see. Hold on. Update M1. Fuck, I low-key wanna play Terraria, gang. That shit been addicting. What time is it? 9:26. What this is? The one hit. Box ladder, M1 hit. Oh yeah, okay. This is a local file. That's not what M1 did. That's not what that. I'd probably also get the fucking. Okay, yeah, I know what to do. We're gonna get the when the last M1. Or not the last M1. What am I talking about? We're gonna ask block service for when the player press block. Shit like that. I could read a book too, yo. I don't want to do this, man. How long have I been streaming? Alright, it's 1 hour. 1 hour and then I'm getting off. So, what was I doing? Where are we at? What's all this? M1 state event got on. M1 state events. Oh yeah, that's Blink. I'm tripping. Yeah. What panel that changed? Yes. Okay. Alright. I guess we're gonna do update M1. I guess yeah. Nah, let's do movement service. I don't want to do that right now. Cause that's just gonna take like actual knowledge. But if we do movement service, that's pretty much just like fucking same, just fix up the bugs and shit. It's not that hard. Hopefully, inshallah. GG's trapped. Well, I think I do the entire thing over. Fuck. Cause this entire thing was before like I had like the clear state and all that shit done with. I mean, I could pretty much just copy this entire thing, put it in here. No need. Is there a need? Cause we got thing as well, right? We got what the fuck I just do? Why the fuck up something? Oh, this one AI by the way, the dash thing. The dash logic. Dash logic and shift lock is all AI. I ain't doing none of that. That shit requires some, I don't know, gang, that shit's hard. Low-key, I might not even like post this hoe. I didn't do shit. I mean, I did a little bit. Well, it's not enough for a stream, right? Fuck it, I'll call today a thing day. A slow day. Let's just fix this up. Yeah, right here. Dash speed, duration, and shit like that. Should I make that? Should I also make a class like how I did in M1 data? Called fucking moment data. Does that make sense? Will that make sense? What's the need? Is there a need? At least we got. I mean, you know what? There probably is a need, right? Alright, I'm finna do it. There probably is a need. Make that a helper. I guess we can also save other time frames as well. Moment data helper. I guess I should also update the. Actually, no, the client doesn't matter because the client is the class itself, right? So you don't gotta make a separate module for that shit. Because the client not doing shit anyways. I guess I'll also have like a moment logic, right? Moment logic as well, right? Yeah. And then moment server just, I guess, it connects to the events and does some validations, all that. And he uses these. Yeah. Alright then. Dash Friday. What the fuck? Why would I put that in there? What is this? Give clear data. Give clear data. What does that do? Oh fuck, yo, this shit is trash. Dang, what was I thinking, yo? I'm tripping. Hold on. Let's get to combat service. I'm on data helper. Okay, straight up doesn't matter. Not yet. I'm on data helper. Right? Then go to movement data helper. Movement data helper. Okay, sure. And yeah, we don't need this. Holy fuck, what is all this? Okay, got new. Alright, self-thought, I guess, data also makes sense, right? Doesn't matter. The name don't matter and shit. Fuck you, I feel like sleeping. I'm gonna go bed. How long have I been streaming? 59:38. No, almost there. Alright. But I'm being a bitch though. Should I even post this though? I'll post some. Fuck it. Alright, then self.data, moment data. Yeah, I guess, yeah, it makes sense. Self.data equals, need dash debounce. Well, I can just copy and paste this entire hole, right? Yeah. So we need dash debounce. Dash debounce equals false. What else we got? Start that. I'm gonna make that a thing. A function. Then what the fuck's the point of a table? Am I tripping? Dash debounce. Fun. I might need like to store other shit inside there as well. It doesn't hurt. I'm sure it doesn't hurt to like have self.data instead. Function yes. What's this? Start in yes. Data helper. Okay. Function data helper. Start. Oh wait, what's it called? Update dash debounce. Start dash timer. Start dash timer. Is clear data table. Start dash timer. And dash debounce is true. Why the fuck would I do that? What's the point of this? Update and start dash timer. What does this do? Task.delay dash cooldown. Dash.debounce return. And dash debounce equals true. Oh, it's just the cooldown, ain't it? Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Update dash debounce is good enough. So what do I do? Dash cooldown? Where do I get that from? I guess I'll have movements. Actually, not. Ooh, it's normally in every like other combat game. Is the dash the same cooldown shit? I don't know. Let's check. Dash is the dash cooldown the same in every combat game Roblox? No, dash not the same. Dash mechanics. They said it's not the same. What does it make sense if it's not the same, right? Because then fucking light weapons will be too broken, ain't it? I mean, they should be faster, right? I guess. I mean, they're swinging faster, obviously. But should they be faster on the feet, though? Nah. Dash so down goes. So local, yeah, dash go down go 0.5. Okay. Let's have it at the top right here. Movement data helper. Alright. Self.data equals dash debounce equals false. Yes. What else do we need? Dash cooldown. Dang, I don't know what else I need other than dash debounce, right? I pretty much only need dash debounce in my data table. So is there even a point in having like an entire table just for like that? I don't think so, right? Probably not. I mean, I could store like lag compensation. If you know, you know. I could store movement. That makes no sense. Okay, I don't know how to do all that. Look. We don't need it, bro. Fuck it. Self.dash debounce equals false. There we go. Return self. Right. Dash debounce update self.that. Okay, good. Self dot task.delay dash cooldown self dot. I'll also have to update the player state and then the stun, all that. Fuck. Oh, should I also do if dash debounce goes true? Yeah. Should I? Probably, yeah. Oh, it's right here. Update dash and what this is. Fuck. Alright, bro. I'm finna go. I might read a book. I might do something else. I don't know. Why is this on my page, bro? on my page. Alright, I'm finna go. Goodbye. Bye-bye. We did a bunch of work. A little bit of work. Did some bug fixes. Tomorrow we're gonna do movement service. Like finish it up. Not finish it up, but just get the framework done and shit. And then let's see where we get there. We're gonna see what we get done, you know what I mean? Gang, I like how the new setup is going, like the new architecture. I like how the shit's going. It makes sense to me. What else do I need to do? Let's save it. Let's save you. I love doing this. I like the end of days and shit. Going, save it. Fucking. Oh. Alright, close it. Alright, what else we got? What else we got? What else we got? And that's it. Alright, yo. Gang, I've been reading Mount of Monte Cristo, not Count of Monte Cristo. That game, that shit is so trash. Oh, it's not trash. I'm tripping. My fault. It's alright. They said it was fucking great. That was my first like big ass book. I don't know, bro. Hopefully, don't disappoint. Alright, bro. Bye bye.